How's the boys and girls feeling?
Undo the button.
We're here.
Wow, you really got that going.
Oh yeah. PSIs before I pull the captain and get me. It's only halfway.
Hard life, man. I'm out here with two little infantiles just trying to live their best life on the Lake Granby. Should have maybe pumped it up to 18 PSI. Chris, what do you feel like?
I feel like some sort of prince in like the Middle East just getting powered around by a smoking lady.
Don't complain.
Cold beer. Lady powering me around. Pretty sunny out.
Hell, how are you doing?
I feel like I'm getting whipped. The sore end of this deal.
How to flip off it.
Really?
So you're gonna cycle your paddleboard?
I'm scared. You're going so far away from me.
It's fine. So you're gonna load up?
Yeah.
Like, so you're gonna like bounce the paddleboard, and then on the spring up, you're gonna flip, right? But get more in the center and jump out. No, load it. Don't, what the fuck are you doing?
Where are her cheeks out?
Yeah, her cheeks are mega out. So, it was like a quarter moon. Do you have any weights so I can add them to my legs and drown myself?
Like a kayaker to me.
Yeah.